We are Measurement Canada. Our values? We deal with our clients and each other with honesty, integrity, respect, and fairness. We recognize and acknowledge efforts that contribute to the success of our organization. We value one another. We are a team. We seek solutions through dialogue, and we work together to achieve our goals. We encourage learning and innovation that results in better service to our clients. We pride ourselves in taking ownership of our work and responsibility for our actions and decisions. These short videos are about a different side of being professional. They're about human factors, a range of ways to work and interact and be a pro in every way. Today, we'd like to have a few words with you about words. Specifically, we'd like to talk about the language of metrology, the terms and expressions we use and why they're critically important. We tend to take the language of our work for granted, but think about it for a moment. When you use words and phrases like limit of error, traceability, repeatability, or uncertainty, or as found, those words all have specific technical meanings. Those words reflect the scientific foundation of the work we do. Think a moment about just the word uncertainty, which we use a lot at Measurement Canada. Organizations from 7 countries work together to develop the GUM, the Guide to the Expression of Uncertainty in Measurement. And the hard work of these folks has meant that the notion of uncertainty is universal and understood across the fields of chemistry, medicine, physics, laboratory accreditation, and legal metrology. Metrology, of course, is our business, and we don't just work in metrology per se, we work in legal and trade metrology. We work with math, and we work with formulae. Our work is highly precise, and our findings can be used as evidence in court proceedings and is based on standards and processes universally accepted right up to and including both the National Research Council standards here in Canada and the Bureau International de Poids et Mesures, or BIPM, in France. By the way, the language we use is as set out in the ISO vocabulary of metrology and similar references accepted internationally. Let's look internally at how Measurement Canada staff uses this language. Just like the math and the formulae, the terms of the language of metrology are more than just words. They're tools. Here are 2 simple words, can and must. You might say to a trader who operates a truck scale, "This approach ramp must be this length." In doing so, you're expressing the obligation inherent in the word must. This approach must be this length, and the trader will know that that is what he is obliged to do when building or maintaining that approach. Now, in some circumstances, the approach can be longer. And if you mention to the trader that he can make it longer, you are saying that he has permission to do so. At the end of the day, it's important to remember that this very precise language is in play no matter who we are dealing with: Measurement Canada colleagues and systems, consumers, traders large and small, authorized service providers, and other authorities. We think the words we've talked about are actually precious. They're about structure, consistency, and communication, and they're a bridge between all of us. Common ground, common language.